Okay, for number 16, our function is f of x equals to x squared times ln x, and then minus x squared over 2. And we're trying to find f prime, which is just take the derivative of the function. So f prime of x, notice that here we have x squared times ln x. We will have to use the product rule because it's a product of two functions. And the product rule says I'm going to keep the first function, which is x squared, and I'll multiply by the derivative of ln x, derivative of the second function. Derivative of ln x is just 1 over x. And the inside is just x. So the chain rule, the derivative of x is just 1, so the chain rule doesn't really matter. And we add the second function, which is ln x, and multiply by the derivative of the first, which is derivative of x squared, and that will be 2x. Okay? And then this is only for the first part. We are going to subtract the derivative of x squared over 2. And this is, you don't need to use the quotient rule or anything like that, because the 2 on the bottom is just a number. So we can just use the power rule, bring the power to the front, and then minus 1. That's pretty much all we need to do. Okay, so when you have the 2 to the front, this is just 2x, and then we have the over 2, like this. So let me just take one more steps. Okay, so let's see if there's anything that we can do to simplify. For the first part, here we have x squared, and we have multiplied by 1 over x. So I can cancel this out, right? I can cancel 1 of the x out, so this is becomes x to the first power. So let me write that down. This turns out to be just x to the first power. And for the second one, we plus, let me write the 2x in the front, ln x like this. And then for the last one, we have minus, and for the 2x over 2, the 2's cancel out, right? The 2's cancel out, and let me make the 1 better looking, like that. Okay. So the 2's cancel out, so I have just minus x, like that. Okay. Now, one more steps. I see that this is positive x, and this is minus x. So of course, they cancel out to be 0. And our final answer, the only part that we have left is just 2x times ln x. 2x times ln x. And as we can see that will be answer choice C. That's it.